Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and we are playing Minecraft again. And I got a duck puppy, and his name is, I want his name to be Gold, but I can't get the name tag on him. So we're just going to go. Come. Stop poking your head through the glass. Come. I just saw a wandering trader. So we're going to get, that's not the emeralds. All of them. Come. Go. Wandering trader. And where is he gone? Where is he? I just saw his llamas. And I heard him. Let's go, 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 go. I see him. He's over there. Go, 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 go round. Up the hill. And where is he? Oh. He has an invisibility potion. And I can see. Oh, he's here. Turns out that I did name him. Sit. Attack. Trident! I already have. Now 3. I can make one. I can combine them to make one better. Now, go. No. Swim. Swim. Swim, swim, swim. Here's the spider. He came. Let's go, go, go. Wait, I'm going to sleep first. No. Go sleep, go sleep. Go in. Sleep. Go, go, go. Now we can do it. Go, 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 go. Yes, and that's all for today. Because I just decided to make this video. Bye.